Alright guys, so we are here to do a review on a motorhome, and its sticker price is for this one is just shy of $500,000. It has a Freightliner Cummins engine, Freightliner chassis, and Aspire is the company who built the coach on top of the chassis. Let's do a review and look how comfortable is this one. Let me just turn on the power here. Need the lights. Okay, and master light, I need it on. There we go. As soon as we enter, we can see everything here is either leather or wood finish. The floor is shiny Proclean tiles all over. Nice soft leather. Fully upholstered seats for the passenger and the driver. Display for your radio controls, nav, and also for the backup camera. This has 360 view actually. Allison at transmission. Power braking system. So this is air braking system actually. Cup holders. Controls for the generator. Water pumps. I like this wood finish up here so that you can place stuff. And also in the dash, this is a really nice finish. The seats itself are massage seats, so you can actually turn them on from there. Power outlets, full wood trims, reading lights. This is one of the LED TVs right where the driver sits above it, so obviously it gets disabled when you are driving it, but when it's parked you can use this. It's a Samsung LED TV, storage with the power outlets, all wood trim. In the kitchen, nice ceiling lights or ambient lights. One thing I was just shown by one of the salesperson was, you're looking at here, it's a normal window, and there's a switch here which I press, and your 36-inch TV appears in front of you instead of the window. So this is one of the main TVs. As I said, that's the one with the driver seat. All accent lights underneath the kitchen cabinets. Two cook range oven. There's cover on top of the utensil for utensils, so that I just hope I don't break it. So that when the motorhome is moving, or when you're driving, nothing comes out and fall off. All the cabinets have a lock, so it's not like no, things can when you're moving, the things can open and fall off. Whirlpool appliances, the oven, microwave oven, the full-size fridge, and two recliners. These are electronic recliners. They have power seat buttons. I just don't remember where it is, for you to recline. Storage. There's more storage underneath. Stuck. There we go. In the kitchen, you can see there's all ambient lighting here too, and then when you need space, you can pull this thing out to get more kitchen space. One thing I like to mention here, like how nice this wood finish is. It's all finished in lacquer polish, and man, looks like a luxury condo instead of just a motorhome. Mirrors for the bedroom. There's reading lights. The switch on top so that you can turn on and off. The fan, for the fan the switch is right there underneath. The third TV, some storage space for your clothes, valuables and stuff. Bedside nightstand with the power outlet and storage. And I especially like those small two windows that just appear next to the bed, so when you're sleeping you can look outside and, you know, enjoy the view of your vacation wherever you are, in the valley or in the desert or on the side of a beach. Full size washroom with shower. Nice marble looking finish. It's actually locked so that you know, nobody can use it. It's a brand new one. Storage. There's your pod, vanity. It has a lot of storage, that's for sure. And then those accent lights are just amazing. This is more storage for the luggage, actually. And it gets better. If you open this particular thing, there's a full-size washer and dryer, Whirlpool washer and dryer here. So, you know, you really enjoy your vacation when you're traveling in this motorhome. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like, share and comment, and so that I can know and make more videos like this. Thanks, and have a good day.